Hi Caroline, it's Colin. What I did is I downloaded a copy of your template from your account, just so I could have sort of exactly the same thing. I know Chris did a little color modification and whatnot. Then I just copied your tag, some of your information, and your graphic logo from your site, so I could actually test this locally. Because it should have, I thinking, hey, you know what? It should have responded a little bit better than that because it was kind of doing some goofy things. But then I realized with the extra words and whatnot, where things were coming in. So what I did is I made a modification to the styles.css. I'm actually gonna zip it up. I'm gonna send it over because unless you've made any modifications to that style sheet yourself, basically what I did was I went into the where am I at here? This is the styles.css, and basically it was all down here within the mobile section, or the responsive section. And all I did is I set the header height to be auto. Okay, and then I tweaked heavily the graphic logo, the website name, the tagline, and the Google search here. So basically all this information from line 575 on down. So if you've already done a bunch of work, I don't know if that's a good use of English there, but if you have modified your styles.css yourself, take this copy I'm sending you, just grab this from the graphic logo on down to the end of this Google search right here. So lines 575 to 610. And also change the height over for the header on line 556 to auto. Now here's what we get when we do that. Okay, squish it down and it's right about there. Now one of the major changes is I used an EM sizing for the image. I'm actually using a percentage based size with a margin auto left, margin auto right. So sort of it captures a few different devices a little bit better that way. So I mean, this is probably this here is about as narrow as you're ever gonna, any device is ever gonna display, but maybe certain phones will go up to this width right about here. So you see how it sort of automatically sizes, so that way it's truly responsive in terms of it doesn't care what device it's being used on. Same with the Google search bar. I said, you know what, let's forget about positioning that puppy. We're going to set it to 100% so that no matter what device it's on, it's just going to stretch out nicely and work. So those are the tweaks that I made there. I'm actually going to apply those same tweaks to all the Fortis templates. So if you download it in the future, for what, you know, if you want to build another site or whatever, it should already be applied to that for you, or you can just grab a copy of the style sheet directly from there. So I think that is going to look a lot better for your site there. So no matter what device it's on, you get the logo. You could tweak it and rearrange the order of the positioning, but I think it's better to have the graphic logo up above and then the text below, so that the text is together with the H3 and the H4 together. Excuse me. So I'm going to send you a file, attach a file. You'll just need to log into your ticket center, obviously, and to review the ticket, because that way you can actually download the attachment. Unzip it, and then just grab the styles.css and drag it right over, or just open it in a text editor and copy those styles that I was talking about there.